Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm just going to show a real quick tip. This goes out to all the, new people, just to give you a little thing where you could, use items and get a couple looks out of them. A twofer, that I like to call it. And all I'm doing is using the stencil, and I'm using my finger and some acrylic paint, but of course use whatever you have. And you see I'm just using the stencil like you would. A little bit too much paint, you can see, but you see how you get that great look. Well, if you turn it over and you wipe it, like I'm doing, you're going to get this really great. I like to use it when I do like grunge or like an old kind of look. And it also, you get this kind of embossed look, which is so cool. So you're getting two looks for the price of one. Now I go and do it again where maybe you don't want to use it as a stencil, but of course use it on a piece of paper, a cast off paper. I'm just going to use it on my good old paper towel where I like to get it all different colored up and use it. And again, going to squish it in there. But what happens if you have it on the outside like that big blob and you don't like it? Well, all you have to do is go in and wipe off the parts that you don't want before you go ahead and, use it in that way. So I'm just doing that. Going to add, the paint where I want it. As you can see, going to turn that paper, going to use it. Now I'm going to use my paper towel so I don't get it all over my fingers. If you're those kind of people, I love having it all over me. And look, now you get this. And like I said, it looks embossed. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody